Welcome back. In this video, we will be going through how to organize codes, but before then, we have been taking the theory part of this CSS so far. Let me add a few practicals example before I explain how to organize your code. Please be attentive and focused. Okay, here is a structured HTML I did in our HTML series. Take a look at this closely. Now, I want to effuse sauce to the page. I want a blue background and first header to be white. See? Can you see that? Let me add a font size. Watch closely. I will give this sign up button a color too. Do not forget that I have previously talked about grouping. You can give all your headings color at a go. So far, you want them to be of same color. Do you see that? Very easy and swift. And now, talking of how to organize codes, first off, use consistent naming conventions, and I'm talking about how you name your CSS selectors, like your classes and your IDs. Are you using dashes, underscores, camel case, uppercase, lowercase? Developers can get pretty opinionated over which conventions are best, but really whatever you use, the key is just to be consistent. Next thing I want to mention is to use consistent formatting. Make sure your format is consistent. In this example, I've got some CSS written and it's kind of all over the place. Now, all of this is actually legitimate CSS. It totally works fine, but it's hard to read and a bit ugly. For instance, here we are defining a color for our paragraphs. It's all on a single line and we've got no spaces. On the next line, we also have a single line declaration, but we are using spaces. And looking at other formats, you can see they are different and not consistent. These sort of inconsistencies in CSS makes CSS really difficult to read. Like I said, different developers have different opinions for whether they want to do tabs, spaces, 2 tabs, 4 tabs, or whatever. Unless you are trying to follow a specific standard, it doesn't matter which one you choose. The key is just to do it consistently. I hope you gained a lot from this lecture. Like I said, we are getting closer to the practical aspect. I will advise you see this twice for better understanding as we are gearing towards the real deal. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to our platform for more.